Hi guys, Mika here. When you picture a smartwatch, chances are it's a sporty looking band wrapped around your wrist, built more for the gym than it is for everyday style. Huawei is a trailblazer because it veers away from all that, taking a page from the playbook of classic timepieces with a new Huawei Watch GT6. This fashion-forward approach has been a signature across Huawei's line of wearables. But that's just the beginning. This iteration packs a 14-day battery life along with comprehensive health and fitness features to match. Let's get to it. Starting with the design, it sports a sleek stainless steel body with a rounded profile. Gold accents and an elegant gold strap give it a refined look, a clear nod to classic timepieces. The design is versatile enough to suit both casual days and formal events. We've got the 41mm review unit here and it fits perfectly on my wrist. For the display, you have a 1.32-inch AMOLED panel with 3000 nits of peak brightness for clear visibility even when you spend a lot of time outdoors. What makes it even more fun are the watch faces. You can choose from pet-themed designs, album and sticker options, or multi-module faces to match your fit and personality. There's even the new video watch faces. Users can also upload their own video to generate a 5-second video watch face. The GT6 also features the new TrueSense system for faster, more reliable, and comprehensive insights. For sleep monitoring, you have the True Sleep Tech that tracks sleep duration, stages, heart rate variability, breathing, and interruptions. You get a quick overview of all these metrics so you can take the steps to improve or maintain your sleep quality. For example, you'd want to have a longer deep sleep because this stage is very crucial for rest and recovery. My favorite is the Emotional Well-Being Tracker, which now monitors 12 moods with updates every 10 minutes. This is an upgrade from the previous 30-minute interval. Of course, there are plenty of metrics that you can track on your smartwatch. But what I really like about the Huawei Watch GT6 is its holistic approach to health, highlighting sleep and emotional well-being aside from just encouraging you to burn calories. Over the years, it's been clear that Huawei wearables take fitness seriously. With the GT6, running and cycling really take the spotlight. For running, it's more than just tracking heart rate, distance, time, and pace. With an IMU sensor, you can also measure ground contact time, vertical oscillation, and balance to analyze biomechanics. Yes, things get technical, but you'd want that if you're looking to improve your running form or level up your training. As for cyclists, aside from the usual heart rate, speed, and distance, it also auto-detects rides with smart pauses at stoplights. Plus, a first for the series is the cycling virtual power to measure power output right on the watch. It's got the new Sunflower Positioning 2.0, giving you steadier connection and 20% more accurate tracking than the previous gen. There are over 100 sports modes to choose from. Personally, I check my tennis stats to know my cardio fitness and calorie expenditure. Users can also enjoy a 3-month Health Plus membership for personalized fitness plans and wellness masterclasses. When it comes to compatibility, it works seamlessly across multiple ecosystems: Huawei, Android, and iOS. Rolling out soon is cashless payments via GCash across Android and iOS for added convenience. No need to grab for your phone inside your bag while at the counter. Another welcome addition is the battery life, 14 days for the base and up to 21 days for the Pro with light use. I love the fact that I can dress up and go without worrying about charging, which makes this upgrade a big plus for me. All in all, the Huawei Watch GT6 both looks and acts the part. Beneath its classic design flair, it delivers with long battery life, everyday convenience, and lots of health and fitness features. It's bound to turn heads among active individuals, from runners and cyclists to health enthusiasts, with its complete metrics all without the need for extra gear. As for me, it's about staying connected and health conscious without ever compromising on style. And for that, it definitely deserves a spot in my watch collection. If the price is right, those key upgrades make it an easy win. Stay tuned for the official reveal soon. For early bird vouchers, check out Huawei on Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. For the Huawei store, customers can pay a 500 peso deposit from September 20 to October 2 to secure discounts. Here are the discounts included. And lastly, a special 3,000 peso early bird voucher will be available starting October 2. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.